Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Boult Audio Pro Bass FluidX headset. Now this is the front side of the packaging where we can see a portion of what the headset looks like. There is nothing else on the sides, it's just the Boult Audio branding. On the top side, we can see some features of note. They wish to emphasize that this pair of earphones provide a little bit of extra bass. It has a built-in microphone. Again, something about the bass and 3D acoustics. There's the warranty period mentioned. You should always check the Amazon listing page to get proper details of the warranty period and what all is covered. And lastly, they've stated that this thing has built-in micro woofers. On the back side of the packaging, you just have the contact information for the manufacturer, and aside from that, there's nothing else. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. So on the inside, we get one little card that appeals to the consumer to go and register for warranty. Then there's the user manual for the Boult Audio Pro Bass FluidX. Always read through the user manual to get a good understanding of how the product functions. Then you've got two cables. The first one is a 3.5 mm stereo jack or other stereo cable. We've got TRS connectors, that's tip ring sleeve, and the cable is about 1.2 meters long. Then there's another cable. This is the charging cable. This uses a micro USB interface on one end and a USB type A interface on the other. That's your normal USB port. And the cable is about 50 centimeters long. And finally, we have the headset. It's portable. As you can see, it's got a little folding design. And there is no pivot, not even on the ear cups. The headband is extensible. And there's a bit of cushioning on the inside of the headband as well. And the same goes for the ear cups. You've got a little branding on the sides. And on the left ear cup, you have controls. So we've got a button for seeking backwards, forwards, a volume up button, a volume down button, and in the center is for you to answer calls or switch the device on and off. And on the same left ear cup, you also have little inlets at the bottom for the microphone to pick up audio. Then there's the interface for the 3.5 mm stereo jack and another one for the micro USB interface for charging the device. So that's it for the unboxing of the Boult Audio Pro Bass FluidX earphones. Thank you for watching.